Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and it's a beautiful day in Tampa, Florida. It's a bit chilly and what's there to do? Well, how about going and learn how to row? And that's what I did this morning. I have done whitewater rafting. Of course, I've done personal kayaking, but never done rowing. So this was an opportunity that I just could not pass up. I found this on Meetup and I was just like, yeah, let's do it. Let's just go and see how it goes. Without any further ado, here's the content. I hope you guys likes it. Please leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Let me know what I can do to improve my channel. I want to be a better content provider and just be an overall like a better editor. So let me know what I can do and I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, here we go. Okay guys, so scratch that. It is cold as shit right now. It's like 44 degrees, Tampa, Florida, cold. But other than that, it's beautiful, sunny, like this. It's gonna be a great day.
You have much time out there in the time that we have, so go ahead, sit down, strap yourself in. And then for the rowers I have, we're gonna.
My name is Hai.
Tide.
Jeet.
Jeet. It's what?
Quinn, like who you
Quinn.
are.
Laura.
Karen.
Karen. Jane. Samantha. Michelle. I'm gonna grab the handles here, and then everyone is gonna sit at what's called the finish. So it's gonna be completely flat legs. So yep, right idea. So now you're gonna swing back with the body, and then pull in with the arms. So it's arms, body, body, arms. Good, there you go.
Yeah,
And feel free to relax, just kind of loosen up. You got it, you're doing great, don't overthink it.
So come forward all the way. Now legs first. Just for the sake of it, I'm gonna go this way, right? And so you're pushing with the legs, moving the body. It stays square right up until the end. It comes out square, and then you feather, and we repeat the process. Okay? The sooner that you are proficient in it, the harder and harder the workouts can be. But as you're learning it, and as everyone's getting used to everyone else, you know, practices are a little slow, not as athletically intensive, right? So it's all up to you how fast you want to get a good workout, right? Focus on technique first. We want to focus on having good efficiency, and then we get those practices more intense and more intense. Okay? All right.
All right, now split to your designated side.
Yeah, there you go. Yep.
There we go, we got it. Yeah,
All right, so go ahead and just hold your side.
up overhead, ready, up. All right, hold on to both sides again. All right, now side stepping over so your toesies are right against the wall. Roll it down. There you go. Roll it down a little bit. Sit it down. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. You guys got it? Yep. All right. Port oars, starboard. I got him. I need one. Oh, okay, I'm like,
if you just want to be like this, that's fine.
let's go ahead and stay on it.
There you go, perfect. Yeah, you can step on it. And then take your chin. Forward, one foot, and then go ahead.
All right. Alright, start 7-7, right?
So push your hands away. So extend your arms out. Yeah, there you go. Extend your arms out. And now lean forward. But don't break the legs. And keep leaning out with the arms. Good. Now slide forward. Okay, now square the blade so it's vertical like this. Good, and let it float in the water. And now push with the legs.
Back forward, hold on to those arms. Keeping this nice and steady.
Yeah, beautiful. Good. But squeeze in the arms all the way and finish it. Remember, you want to finish the stroke. Yeah, there you go. All right, and now go arms away. Good. And so put your arms away, my man. Yeah, there you go. Now, lean forward, keeping the arms extended. So lean forward. So you want to lean forward. Yeah, there you go. And now, I want you to break the knees and come forward and compress. But still reaching out. Yeah,
Reach.
and now square that blade in the water. And now push with the leg. Good. All right. Arms away. Oh, but you lean forward. Go back.
Somebody getting
Coach
turned
says
over
arms away. Don't move the body. All right. Lean forward. Lean the body forward. Keeping the arms extended. Good. Beautiful. All right. Chin up. Don't look down. Eyes on the horizon. All right. Now, keeping the arms extended. Leaning forward. I want you to slide forward. Slide forward. Slide forward. Good. Now, square that blade. Now push with the leg. And pause at the finish. Arms away. Lean forward. Keeping the arms extended. Don't square yet. Now, slide forward. And push with the leg. Alright.
That was pretty good. I am about to head out right now. The rowing session was really fun. I definitely learned a couple things. We didn't do too much actual rowing, it was more instructional, and I think the team was very uncoordinated. But I think at the end of the day, we're just out here trying to have fun and learn something new, and we accomplished that for sure. I may come back another time, but hopefully the next time it won't be as a practice, but more of like a workout or more like a training. But for sure, I need some food in my body right now. So I'm gonna head out, and I will talk to you another week.